Hi, everybody. My name is Mr. Glass. I'm going to be your geometry teacher for this year. I got a few things I want to share with you for back to school night. A little bit about me. This is my 10th year teaching, but my first in Golden. I actually just moved to Colorado about 2 weeks ago. I am originally from South Central Pennsylvania. I taught for 9 years in Maryland, but I'm looking forward to a new area, new experiences. So uh, feel free to give me some recommendations of things to do and how to get acquainted to this area. I would greatly appreciate that. Anyway, I love getting to interact with high school students and using math as a tool to teach logical and critical thinking and problem solving, not just as tools to use in the classroom, but things that you can think about uh, and use in your daily lives after this. I love sports. I'm a big baseball fan. Go Twins. I'm also a 49ers fan for football. I love watching college basketball. Um, I'm also a gigantic fan of The Office, so be prepared for some references and quotes and posters. But if you're not a fan, that's all right. Uh, I can still get along with that too. No worries. Also, I play guitar. I love music. I'm always open to new recommendations of things you guys are listening to and sharing what I think is pretty awesome as well. So, and there's a picture of my dog. That's Bodie. Obviously, that is not me. Class overview for geometry. Lots of things that we're going to cover. We're going to start with some foundational things with geometry. We'll talk about what it means for congruence and similarity. I'll talk about right triangles and trigonometry, quadrilaterals, a little bit of probability, circles, and toward the end, we'll talk about some three-dimensional measurements um, as well. Some of that plan might have to be modified just due to the circumstances of this year, but we'll play it as it goes and we'll do what we can. What you can expect for this year, we will be using Google Classroom for just about everything, but we'll also use some other things. So we will use both Zoom and Google Meet, depending on the activity or what suits best for that day for our video sessions. Other resources like Delta Math or Edpuzzle that you might already be familiar with, we will use those quite a bit as well. But we'll take some time throughout that first week and try to get you guys acquainted with everything so that you're ready to go. Like I mentioned, Google Classroom is important. I'm going to post everything and house all the information that you guys would need within Google Classroom. Your grade, I'm planning to calculate with different sections. One section would include homework, classwork, participation kind of stuff. Another section for quizzes and tests, and also a category for final exams. And I do occasionally offer some second chance work, but don't expect to use that as a crutch. Don't count on it being there every single time. But obviously, I do want to give you guys opportunities to learn and relearn material as needed. Things that you can expect. My expectations for you, be present in class. That's more than just showing up or opening your computer, just listening. Being present means be mindful of the situation and your surroundings, be awake, be ready to learn, and also be prepared. Always have your Chromebook because we are going to be using Google Classroom quite a bit. Bring a pencil and paper. Uh, Also, a valuable skill. We're going to use that quite a bit, not just on the computers, but sometimes it's useful to write things out and help some things stick in our heads a little bit better. And also a calculator. Definitely we'll need a scientific calculator at minimum, but it certainly wouldn't be a bad idea to have a graphing calculator as well, especially as you progress further throughout your math courses here at Golden. Be respectful. That's a huge one for me. Make sure you're respecting yourself, first of all. Respect your peers, respect your teacher, and also your surroundings. This is a beautiful building you guys have here. There's a lot of work that goes into keeping it clean and safe for you guys. Be a participant. We learn from our successes, we learn from failures, not just always being right all the time. So don't be afraid to speak up. You can be wrong. I'll be wrong from time to time, but that's a valuable experience to learn from. And lastly, be positive. New experiences are opportunities for growth. So always embrace change and try new things. If you guys need anything else leading up to the school year or during the school year, feel free to send me an email. Or if you want me to give you a call, just leave me a cell phone number and an email, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But otherwise, I hope you guys are getting ready for a new school year. I am very excited to be here at Golden, and I look forward to getting to know you guys and having a great school year. Hope you have a great day. Talk to you guys soon.